Hello kiddos, today we will learn number addition. So let's start. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. So repeat after me. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Do you know? 7 plus 1 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now 6 plus 3 is 9. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos and hit the bell icon.